So alarms are a fun issue. I'm going to start with the class diagram, and that'll hopefully help me decide what files to show better. But yeah, an alarmable. The commands have an alarm, and they have multiple alarms, so they have to know the ID of the alarm that they are registering. Each alarmable has multiple alarm IDs that it keeps track of inside of the red data. Show that there. So each alarm 0 through 2 has this information inside of it, and yeah, let's go through some of these header files. Start with the manager. Yeah, you can register, and the registration happens differently from other scene registrants in that it happens a lot during gameplay while the object is usually otherwise registered. And there's a multi-map that these that the alarmable manager keeps the alarms in, the active alarms, and the float being the time that it has left, like when it should fire off the alarm callback, and then the alarm event is just the alarmable pointer and which alarm ID is happening. In the alarmable, we have the submission, which is just submitting the registration commands, the actual callbacks that the whatever user object will inherit from, and then I added these support methods not long ago, just after reading the checklist, so you can query the time left at any time. These are public methods. You can change the time outright, just like deregister the entire thing and then start it again. Here I can. Yeah, I did actually do a documentation for that. Sweating it for a second, but yeah, you can. It just deregisters it and then re-registers immediately with the new time. You can also add time, which does the same exact thing, except it gets the current time and then makes an offset with what you input, and then subtract time is the same thing. Those are all just for convenience. Obviously, the user could do that themselves, but you can also query if it's registered by getting inside the reg data. And let's see, what else are we looking for? Yeah, I'm using the in the reg state or the reg data. I'm using the delete iter idea. Is that sort of deal? Well, there's a delete iter that gets called when it gets deregistered, and it gets added when it's registered, so that it knows where in the list it is. Yeah, and then the documentation. So I talk about alarms here. I just say to override the alarms that you want, and then you have to register them dynamically with the time in milliseconds, and then which alarm it should be, and yep, that is it.